Alright, so here is the Bryant Legacy line heat pump running again. It recently fired up a little bit ago. I have not filmed this unit since April, so I thought I'd get another video. And there's not much to film. Too much, I don't know. The Ameristar in Goodman I filmed 2 weeks ago, along with this American Standard over there. It's still not got replaced or anything. But yeah, I have not filmed this one in a while, so I thought I'd film it. Copeland Emerson scroll. It has a broad ocean fan motor. Sounds nice. It is actually the first day of fall, unfortunately. So, yeah, September 22nd. Alright. My bad. It's working really good. Nice and cold, sweaty. There's the Midwest disconnect box. If you guys remember, I got this unit starting up on the disconnect box in 2024 last year. There's a shot kind of like that. It is from December, 52nd week of 2021. 14 seer, 2 ton. So yeah, thought I'd get another video of this. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.